This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. Spacious. Spotless. Spectacular. Better than new coral floor plan with fully fenced backyard. Many upgrades including extended patio, garage floor epoxy coating, phantom screening in garage, stunning fans/fixtures, water softener/filtration system, solar panels. Keep those electric bills down. This home looks barely lived in and has been meticulously cared for by Mr. and Mrs. Clean. Light, bright and airy neutral decor with tons of natural light. Stunning kitchen with LAODS of space. Full bedroom and bathroom on ground floor. Beautiful open floor plan. Huge loft is perfect as a second living room or game room/hangout area. There is currently a power chair lift to go up the stairs. It is negotiable. Pristine lush landscaping with fantastic curb appeal. Plenty of room for an oversized private pool in the backyard. Tons of built-in storage in the garage. Fabulous owner's retreat with gorgeous ensuite bathroom featuring separate show and garden tub plus his and hers walk-in closets. So much more. You must see it in person. All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed reliable but subject to buyer verification. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561 929 2269 cell.